Ever wonder why some apps skyrocket while others stall? Adding a simple Rate Me pop-up can quietly turn happy users into your best marketing team. Most people skip this setup, but it's the single reason top-rated apps stay visible while others fade. Let me show you how to do it without annoying your users. Let me show you what this Rate Me pop-up looks like. So when the user opens up your app, it takes about 2 seconds, but you can just change it if you want to. And this is the pop-up that it's going to be received by the end user. So enjoying app name, give me coffee in my particular situation right over here. Tap a star to rate it on the App Store. And the user may tap on any star or just go with not now. If the user selects not now, let's just swipe that up. Comes back later on. Again, after 2 seconds, it can be set up whatever time you want the delay to be. It will be asked again. Now, why is this really important? Let me share you 4 key ideas why you should definitely add this to your business app, and by the way, any other app. So first of all, it builds trust and social proof. Most users, when they want to download an app, even if it's a free one, they are going to check the ratings. Now, a Rate Me pop-up button will increase the probability of more users rating your app. Therefore, also your app ranking higher on the App Store. And that's where our second point is. It boosts visibility and installs. The higher the ratings are for your application, the higher ASO it will have. Even a small bump from, let's say, 3.9 to 4.5 star ratings can dramatically increase visibility. So make sure that you catch all of your satisfied users and make them rate your app as high as possible. Also, sometimes you get bad ratings also, but that's also a good thing. Number 3, it gives you early feedback. If there is a frustration, then you can act upon it really early on and then just give a reply to that feedback that, okay, we just fixed it or something like that. And that's also going to boost your ASO. And finally, number 4, it increases retention and lifetime value. So asking the users to rate your app after a positive action, like somebody you just completed a purchase or something positive inside your app, reinforces the satisfaction. So if we are in this loop that I did something good and then it asked me to rate it, then I will most probably rate it high. So adding this pop-up at the beginning, at the launch of your app, it's okay, but we can improve upon that. So we want, I don't know if you remember, if not, then go ahead and check out the playlist in the description. We're building out this demo app and it has a favorites part. So we can tap on the heart icon and it will favorite that particular product. So I would argue that instead of blasting this pop-up at the launch of your app, just do the pop-up when the user actually favorites a product. So let's do that. Let me just open up Xcode. And this pop-up is going to be shown when this content view appears. Instead, what we want to do is just go into, first of all, let's just go to the products tab, jump to definition, and then the product row, because that's where we have our button. There it is. So this is our button. It's the favorite button. Let me just show you right over here. So this is our cell and this is our button. Okay. By the way, I'm just going to build and run so we can see how the favoriting goes along. So just favorite our cappuccino and it's over there under the favorites. Okay. So we can also unfavorite it if we wanted to. So that's our action. After we favorite it, we want this pop-up to show up. So the implementation is quite simple in this case. So we want to add an environment. So add environment, and we are going to use dot request review private var and request review. Okay, and then after we toggle the favorites, again, all the details are in the previous video. Take a look at the description for the whole playlist. We are going to check if we already favorited this or not. So this is kind of a toggle. As you can see, the button is on toggle favorite. So if it's not favorite, so if exclamation mark is favorite, only then we're going to request the review. So request our review, and that's it. Let's build and run. And again, at this time, this pop-up will not show up upon launch, or rather after a few seconds upon launch. It will actually pop up when we favorite something. So let's favorite our blueberry muffin over here. You can see instantly we had a good feeling that we favorited, we like the blueberry muffin. Therefore, we are prompted to tap a star to rate it on the App Store. Okay, and that's how simple it is. If you like these types of implementation and you would like them to be added into your app, or rather, if you don't have an app on the App Store just yet for your business and you want one with these awesome features, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Let's talk it through. I can meet you on a one-on-one Zoom call.